Hindi ako maatras
Pero huminto ka.
kasi napaisip ako
About what?
about what this all means. Julie, ayokong gawin lang to just to catch up for all those years.
Hindi naman to catch up eh.
Alam ko. Pero dati kasi iniisip ko na kapag dumating tayo sa sitwasyong to, ready ang lahat. Kailangan perfect timing. Walang hesitation. Mali pala yun. It's not always about being ready. This is about being sure sa tao. And right now, I'm sure about you. I'm sure about us. Julie, we're protected. But this type of protection isn't something that we're used to understanding. It's about safety, but also trust, caring, and being ready for whatever comes next. Julie, you're not a problem. You're not something that needs to be corrected. I've been carrying this around like it's a reminder that I should always be ready. But I don't want to be ready just to protect my ego. I'm choosing us. And I'm choosing you. Forever.
And you're really choosing this now?
Yes. Ikaw ba? Are you ready?
I was born ready. But seriously, I really thought kaya ka huminto before is because ayaw mo lang talaga sa akin. Hindi ko naman alam na ganyan pala yung nasa isip mo. Thank you for being honest with me again. Yan naman ang nagustuhan ko sa'yo noon bago pa nangyari yung pag-atras mo.